Here I am at St. Pride's. Coming in through the little channel here. See if I can turn around a little bit. This is a safe harbor. If I turn here, you'll see where I just came from. Not an easy thing to do. Got waves coming in the back here. So if I turn it out, there you go. That's where I just came from. I paddled on a 40-degree magnetic. I got out to probably about 2.5 miles out to the first headland, and I had to come around because, or had to come back, turn around, because the fog came in, as you can see. I didn't beat it in. It completely engulfed me. So I had to paddle on a bearing on a compass point. 40 degrees. And kept the shore, the sound of the shore at my right. Starboard side. Sun was on the starboard side. Didn't have too much difficulty coming in. Lots of lop though. And confused seas all the way out and all the way in. So I guess I'm going to change my plans here and find another place to paddle. Just paddle around here for a bit, playing around. There's my nautical chart. There's my GPS and my big gaudy compass, but I'll tell you, it came in handy when all I could see was just the bow in front of me. And we got some lop still going on all around me. Still lots of fog. And I soon got to shut this off because I'm washing into these rocks here. As you can see. At any rate, off I go again.